Now for this video, I'm going to give myself 1 hour to find as many products that I can flip online for a profit. Therefore, if I can do it, so can you. And here's my very first tip. Always try and go to your local rich area, hence why I'm right now driving to St. Albans, one of the richest areas you can live in the UK, where the house prices are usually over £600,000. People out there, they can't be bothered with retail arbitrage, they are too busy working their full-time jobs or having a business, which means less competition for you. All right, where's the clearing section? Where's the clearing section? That's the next tip. You want to get the best deals, you're looking for reduced and clearing. See. Nope. And there's a lot of products you'll find that you can't find on Amazon, but that's okay. We will find something. The hell is that? I'm looking ideally for products that don't have much left in stock. There's also a good sign. So see, for example, here, plenty. There's only one left. Straight away catches my eye. Nothing. Let's have a look at that. Nope. Ooh, found something. £5.50. £16. After fees, I say £6 each, and there's one. So, £6 profit so far. £9. Last one, £21.83. After fees, that's another £10, £12 profit. Let's say 12. What about this one? Nope, nothing. Got myself another one. Don't know what the hell these are, but these here are £11. Sell them for 26. After fees, another £12, £13 profit. And because of that, there's only one left. Oh, actually, no. We got 1, 2. That's it, only 2 left. So £20 profit. Oh, let's see this. 25, 25. No good. So we just left ASDA's, and I've got to be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed. Even though we went in early, like I said, there wasn't that much to choose from. We only found like 3 items that were making on average anything between £8 to £12 profit. So if you're gonna do this, ASDA may not be your best choice. On to the next one, TKMaxx. I've got big hopes for TKMaxx, but before that, let's try some of this again. Now, what makes these drinks very special is, besides their very basic branding, they are very hard to get a hold of. If you do get a hold of them in your local shop, they're probably going to be about £2 to £2.50. But you can resell these bad boys in eBay or Amazon for £10 to £20. That's 1,000% return on investment. Okay. £4.99, £13.99. That's £7 profit. It's okay. Let's see what this has. Maybe this is the good section. This is $5.99, nothing. $6.99, 11. It's okay. So far, same as ASDA. Okay. $4.99, $13.32. But they're not selling too well. But that's okay. Another £10 right there. Only have one though, which is a bit annoying. Ideally, I'd like to pick up some more of those. Okay, $6.99, $10.99. Another £3 profit. Better than nothing. What's a solar power truck? But who cares? Okay, nice. $15.26, $7.99. £6 profit, and we have 3 of these, whatever they are. Another £18 if we sell. Not bad. All right, let's move away from toys. I'm not really liking it so far. Let's see what else they have. And the good thing is about this as well, if it doesn't sell after 25 days, just bring it back and you'll get a full refund. No risk whatsoever. All right, let's have a look. I like the look of this. It says $24.99, $14.99. Let's see if it's actually true. £15, 25. Another £7 profit. Trouble is, there's only one. $4.49, $10.54. Another £4 profit, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So another £16, just like that. Let's keep going. Way. £2.49. £22. That's £15 to £18 profit each one, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, £18 profit per one. This right here, if we sell, that's £70. Boom. This is what I was looking for. That right there is a good deal. See, retail arbitrage is kind of like fishing. Sometimes you find some good stuff. Okay, another £10, £12.99, £25.99. Boom. Only problem is, there's only 2 of them. Here's my question. If you have the spare time, why wouldn't you do this? There's literally no risk. You buy these things, if you can't sell them, bring them back. I always like to see this right here. Clearance. Doesn't scan. It's okay. £6, £12.60. After fees, maybe £3. It's okay. It's okay. But I'm sure we can do better. Again, with TKMaxx, they put their own barcodes and you can't scan them. Again, 7, £13.99. All right, I think we're done with TKMaxx. Let's keep going. All right, let's try Oxfam. For those that don't know, it's a charity shop. It's all clothing. Yeah, let's go. It's all clothing. The second I walked in, I knew it wasn't going to be any good. Don't need to waste time. Don't go for clothing. Those are really, really hard to sell. People's opinions change all the time because it is fashion, and the refund rates are extremely high. For normal items, the refund rate is anything between 1 to 5%. For clothing, it's 25%. Now, my question to you is, do you really want to deal with that headache? All right, next shop we have The Range/Iceland. Now, I'll be honest, I don't have too much hopes for this, but it's worth a try. Do you think I can sell them used? Where's the clearance? Where's the clearance? Do they even have a clearance? Oh, look at these amazing deals. It was $5.99, now it's $4.99. Ooh, let's scan it. Let's see what it's on Amazon. Can't even find it. It's not looking good. This is what I like to see. All right, let's start scanning. I've scanned like 10 items now, and all of them cannot be found. I think we just need to give up. This is not the shop for us. All right, food, like surely I should be able to scan some of these. Come on. I just want to see if I can scan anything. And fine. Let's see. Hey, £7, you get 2 for 7. Not exactly a lot of profit, but better than nothing. At least we can scan it. Now I don't know if I should keep on scanning, checking for stuff. It's not much. $13.99, $18.99. Not great. Not great, because after shipping, it's going to be nothing. I think let's stop wasting time and let's go. All right, so now that we've done a few shops, here's my opinion. Retail arbitrage is alive and well. However, it is not easy as I expected. Don't think that you'll go into any shop and start finding deals. Do your own research. Have a look around shops around you to see what you can find. In my personal opinion, if you do have a full-time job, this is going to be difficult because it does require time and effort driving around, scanning, looking for products, and then putting them up online. However, if you do have the time and you want to make a few extra £100, then this is a great way to start because it gives you this experience of buying low and selling high and making a profit. This is where you change from working a 9 to 5 and effectively getting paid by the hour to now sometimes you'll get very lucky and find a lot of stuff, whilst others you may find nothing at all. So it's a very, very great way to start your business journey. However, that being said, don't think this is something that you can be able to scale up by yourself to a 6-7 figure business. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this sort of content where I actually get outside of the studio and give you real life experience what running a business is all about and how to make a few extra quid. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.